to raising farm eggs as good as those?
Well, Louise, it really is about the peaceful environment. And we're so fortunate here in Whaddon because it's so quiet and the air is so fresh. And touch wood, we've never had any issue with foxes.
I see you've known a lot of people in the village.
Well, yes, because they're three very well-respected members of the community. Because some of their class would rub off on the chickens.
And has it?
Oh, yes. Absolutely.
Finally, how important is it to feed them the right food?
Absolutely essential. It has to be organic and not too big, not too small, just the
Thanks, Claire. I'm sure you'll agree that that was very informative.
Very informative, Louise. Thanks.